Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46, and if you guys have a 3 Series BMW or other BMWs as well, and you get a code guys for right side impact airbag sensor, and code is 84. Stay with us, we'll show you what you need to fix, where it's located, and how you can just fix it. Super simple guys. We'll be having more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. So, let us show you guys what we're talking about now. So, let me show you now guys what's happening. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, start the car quick, and you're going to notice that the airbag light stays on. Okay, check this thing out now. Airbag light stays on. Okay, let me turn the light for you so you can see a little bit better. Okay, you can definitely guys see the airbag light, it just doesn't turn off at all. So what I'll do, I'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and we'll be using the Maxicom scanner here guys, this amazing scanner. Okay, and let me show you what we'll be doing now. This works on any car, not just BMW. Check out all the models it covers. You can find it guys listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So first guys, what we need to do, I'll click VIN detection here, how to detect. It's going to take just a couple seconds to decode all the information, so it's going to do that automatically and it will tell us which vehicle we have and all that stuff, so we don't have to manually do that. It does take about probably 15 to 30 seconds. It really depends on the car. Some are super fast, some are a little bit slower, depending on how old the vehicle is and all that stuff, because computers, you know, they get faster and faster nowadays, so the newer the car, usually the faster the computer. So we select BMW, European, and it's going to give us the VIN number now. You're going to hear an audible sound, confirm. It's going to decode it. We have E46 330Ci 2005 model. We select yes, and then we continue. It's going to ask us guys, okay, to turn the ignition off in a little bit for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Now, I'll always do that. I follow what it says to do, so I usually do it like that. Turn it back on. You have to wait 10 seconds. Okay, and click OK. Now if you guys have 16 or 20 pin connector, 16 is the universal OBD connector, the 20 pin is the round one. We have only the 16 on our vehicle, so we connect it to that. We select diagnose, control unit here, and now airbag is under body, airbag system right here. And you're going to notice now guys, it's going to give us the option to read the codes. Okay, and the code that we have is 84 right side airbag sensor. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the car battery off guys, and we're going to continue with the next step. So on some E46 guys, you can find the airbag sensor in the door panel, under the front right door panel. On other ones like the convertible, I think, and some specific models, you can find it guys in the footwell under the seat. This is the seat, you have to remove the seat all the way to unhook it. Okay, it's disattached for the carpet, and right here guys you will have your airbag sensor. Okay, this is the airbag sensor. So now, this airbag sensor guys, okay, right here, this wire sometimes will corrode or get a little bit of oxidation from humidity, because humidity will build up. We have all the ground wires here as well. It's in the footwell of the vehicle, so sometimes humidity will build up here and it can cause oxidation. So it could be a loose wire, it could be a little bit of a corroded wire. So clean it, reconnect it really good, make sure it clicks, all that stuff. Always have to disconnect your car battery when you're messing with the airbag sensors. If that doesn't fix the problem, you need to check your wiring harness, and if that's good, you need to replace the sensor. So we'll go ahead, connect the car battery now and see if that fixes our problem now. So Now guys, I'm going to go ahead, turn ignition on. Okay, ignition is on, and we're going to go back to the computer. We'll click escape. Let's read the codes one more time to see that we have communication with the computer before we delete the codes. Okay, the code is there. So I'll click erase codes, confirm. Codes have been successfully erased. I will exit the system now. Okay, so that way we're not going to read the airbag module. I'm going to turn the ignition off, pull the key, put it in, start the car, and airbag light, guys. Okay, will go away. No airbag light, as you can see. So that definitely, guys, fixed our problem. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.